opilivela ezilozini uspirit yangithola to the point lo muntu ongimthenga first of all ungitshela something and uyayakhika futhi yabo lo muntu ongimthenga ulale nabantu abaningi but different doesn't reason ngiba unabantu azingikabe bazochitha isikhathi sabo bayabuka maya wena wayenge yoga zakho nana ufuna ukuchitha leyagazi ufuna ukhambe you go in ba wena uyeza uyafaka lapha sha yangithola yazi is nice Brian ukujola angeke ngibize ngale igama elinzima ne ukujola nomuntu odlala ngomzimba actually uthi ngidlala ngomzimba kanti uba nomuntu endlini yakho athi mina ngidlala ngoqambela ba angidlala ngomzimba but uzomchaza ngomzimba uzofila defeated and disappointment yiko uzobona sophila so wenza izinto ezinzima Brian mara umuntu odlala ngomzimba uyazi ukuthi umuntu odlala ngomzimba no wangifuna ukuzama ukukhipha ukudlala ngomzimba uzophilela le demo uzomthola no Mr K bozobuya le nto umuntu odlala ngomzimba you understand isho mina ngifuna ifamily now sami yabantwana aba 18 from 153 wives yeah and isakhulisa
Ukolofia.
We're 18 kids. We grown up in the same fucking household, one home. Emangibheka elokushini Brian akekho umuntu ongayirisha nami ngithi ngifuna ukuzama mara angikwazi ukufikela mara ngipili bangathi culture sezadlika yabo.
Podcast if ufuna ukushada ya like yo saqala manje ukushuta ni
It's what is it?
In the podcast. I'm saying
You're
picking
in 5 minutes.
Yeah, you can just engage fully. I speak as
ubani bekaphethe power bank la
in the speaker.
ipheli battery
I wanted
yo I wanted to use it there
Bram,
no unplug yangiyakhipha just put that one yeah futhi i-power bank yakho empty vele can you please because I'll be sitting there and nama question
The series they film with the theme song, bro.
where's the nigga crow, bro? Yo, my man, can you please light on your cameras, bro?
They've been on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm being like, cause I'm seeing you guys were chatting about something outside in the apology.
Why
No, bro.
monitoring when
One. I look like I'm not no, my nigga, he can't.
I will let you know when we reach when they
Yeah,
I don't
we're artistic and that's why it's too much.
So I'm trying to put something, guys. I understand and nobody can again and nobody has to come by why I'm saying this way, isn't it? Because I had a Tunaganta. Where you from?
oh I'm from Soweto
Soweto.
yeah
Where's the soul? Where's your soul, your creation soul?
my creation I'm from Enadale from the south
Your creation soul.
Yes.
What I'm saying is creation soul, khuluma ngomlando ukuthi kahle kahle wena where you from?
like where you from
Your bloodline.
Sheki boys
Emakhaya. Ukuphi emakhaya wena uthini emakhaya uthatha umthwalo.
oh
Hey, God.
Ekhimba
Keep on rolling. We're gonna just pick it up from here.
okay
Oh, ezim. Yazi why ithang rolling.
We're gonna pick it up from here, then we introduce the show as we're talking, then we're gonna pick.
Ithang rolling.
sound rolling.
Yeah, just from the conversation.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Not in the script, man.
Hey yo, what's up? What's happening? It's your boy Fendon Paris here again on the Creative Productions podcast with my nigga Mkhathini. Let's get them.
We're creativity to meet conversation. I'm a man who doesn't need an introduction. Mkhathini tizaphatha nje ufuna ukuphoza ngisaphuse ufuna semphuze ebhakethe kwathi any coronavirus. Namhlanje bafethu inimiki space umalabala njaya welcome.
Bengithi zothi Mkhathini, bengithi zoyikhatha lethi Mkhathini becut die. Mr. K uNsangweni. You've been smoking weed since I get here. Like Mkhathini do smoke weed. I've never thought to look at them. I apologize for that, but I have to ask him. I called him ukuthi manje ngiphendule. This is
I'm a weed master, bro. They say in weed we believe legalized today. Do you understand?
Ushuthi uyasizisa isihlahla impela.
Yeah, when I get back here.
Ngoba mafeya
the reason being I've been really out in Brian for
Hey.
yes, not days. Don't talk about days, man. We're talking about Jenny, bro.
Yeah.
Ngisale intwana yami umaphanda siphusha nginaletsotsi namaninja mfethu abhaya yabo. I can't mention them names. Now I mention when podcast goes because you have to.
So khuluma ngabo lo bafethu makukuthi vele baflopile ekusentja zami nosixolela ke siyancane but niflopile bese nani sahlukana ke injalo le ndayixabela
Mara nami nawe sisahlukana zahlakana.
akaze mfana yebo wena Yomuntu bafethu
No, you know what? Problem. You want to life in now, there is a way whereby you want to lock on any gender. Lock on any gender. It's a problem, bro.
But there's one thing bafethu that I've realized ngomalabala le. Let that nigga mapana mfana. What the fuck happened to that boy mapana? But we're gonna touch on those things. But in thing realizing ngomalabala bafethu, I remember ngifike ngamshayile zona ngizona. But he retained the favor umjit. You remember nama awards?
When I get
As
to
midway.
It's not a midway. It's a but Blue Hill side.
Yeah.
It's a Blue. When I went there to award, when I went to perform. But I'm nigga my picture to my video. Didn't give me the video. And the sister is lower to one niggas on that club. She contacted me. After Kuluma was over metal manager when outside everything. Cause he hasn't come on. What like umuntu busy. That's why when you market crash. Cause sometimes we figure the way ngiletho kuwe njengoba manje ngisela Mr. K. When I'm here with Mr. K ngibona untanga la emuva yabo. Untanga ugcwala something ukuthi mele sihlanganise sikhulume yabo. But ngoba ngirespecta Mr. K. I go through Mr. K. Ngiyamtshela phela umama uyangidinga yabo. Mele sele ngathi ngizosolve ngizolungisa. I talk with the nigga, don't wanna cheat. The only thing that I know from Good Leah podcast, I have that nigga, but one I forget his name. The only person I know is it's an African DJ, but I know that name because Naman is Sakurum. Young Ton is the only guy that I know. Mara the opportunity. Maybe I can blame him, bro, yeah, but I can't blame him. Yeah, when I'm fit into a humble industry, it isn't bad,
maybe Petunia never got the side of my story with what happened with that day. Me and Petunia we agreed to see she's gonna pick me up in the morning. And by that time I'm in the club. I'm just going to clubbing. And it's my clubbing. There was no electricity. Phone was off. Petunia came to my house. Mang Papa, I that side. Even I walked like I think it was like 1 hour 45 minutes to get to the place because man, she dropped all the way from Pretoria.
So like there's a blame on you.
Yeah, there's a blame on me. So I never got any.
Even in my side, I put the blame on you.
Yeah.
Because the moment I meet up with Petunia, it was after maybe 3 years when she come to the complex whereby I was working there, bringing her daughters. I meet up with them when she stood out of the car, down. This is the lady. It takes her time to recognize, and her mind is off from that thing. So to the point to say, my nigga, it's easy. You can blame it, but don't blame it. What life in, my nigga? Into my phone, my nigga. I love what life plays me to music. I've learned a lot through this game, bro. You understand? Because into my wanna illa, and I gotta be like, it's a silly.
That's the problem because sometimes you can prep. Then isn't using a family according to
your plan. Remember what you plan, God decide. lelo gama ngalizwa after nje amsemphume nikebe.
And the thing outside mina in most of those things ne mangabe ngishayela or ngishayisa sena kuthi maybe I was retaining a favor ne
Yeah.
I was doing more than a favor because let's just talk about issue kaPichunia right Pichunia ufike a computer Miss Africa right and at that time I was a radio presenter at Hit Pro Radio so ufike the ezanenzana ngithola I gave her many opportunities whereby she had to meet a lot of creativity. Understand? Whereby introduce. Yeah. So I had to call it outside Malava Fair. Whereby I'm still growing in event base, not mine. Because I'm bringing my event base to her. But at that point, even now, she never realized that at that time. I was growing event base. But she never realized that.
Uyazi to cut the story shortly, Brian. The deal Mr. Kazon for Nena, I'm busy. Even not today. I respect this nigga, bro. But through the respect of this nigga to the point of thing, Magang Biza, you remember Pengupi? Where was I? Was at the shop in Spa.
Drop everything down.
Sacrifice, bro. You can't call me for something which doesn't worth it. Yeah, I'm sorry. And one thing I've loved to all those guys who were there to perform.
Yeah.
I'm the one who killed the performance. And I give it all the best to my nigga. For the out to the point where even the guests, it was a good award whereby paying about
what's in he show off. This nigga came bringing his award.
Yo, man,
Where's the award?
I paid.
We're gonna go to the award.
Kuma award, I came with a good award. Just to create something, bro.
Please tell us who's Malava Lava, like Crenshaw.
Okay, but
who are you, man? Who are you, man?
I want to eat range. I want to probably you put my name range. Oh, I get show again. Send me back and fetch it. But in Tripalegin, one but Malava Bangas, Malava Lava, who's Malava Lava? Balaleli. Nababugeli ngoba abanye bazoyizwa ngendlebe abanye bazoyibona ngamehlo babeke nasendlebeni is different stuff mina ngumalava lava inkabi ipiano kodwa manje sebayicrossile bayibeka umchele yaba inkabi eshangane yabo because no
the other time like Malava Lava like you were pushing huge like there was another group you like
yeah Sure. So mabati Malava Lava. So my number plate. Ubonga nwasithola. Kahle iplate lami ngithi sithola ngithi yazi ubaba mangakashadile yabo into njalo melo sakugijimisa isibongo saka mama yabo into njalo through the law. Yeah, but mina ngokwami ngutibani. So I wanna put it kule nto le ukuthini nginkabe eshangani because ithamalami ishangani yabo. Shout out to my daily. I want to ithamalami hero kawo. When I'm family now, some abantwana by 18 from one father to 3 wives.
18.
Yeah. And there's a pulling us to we're 18 kids. We grown up in the same fucking household. One home. Emangibheka elokishini Brian akekho umuntu ongayirisha nami ngithi ngifuna ukuzama mara angikwazi ukufikela mara ngibhiliva ngathi culture esedlaleni yabo wonke ama time wami bonke they have more than one kid and more than one wife akunawo baba wami from edladleni onomntwana onomfazi oyi-1 you understand so isiko labo kahle mara mina yangihlula mangithi ngifuna ukuzama bathi khona umuntu ongumtholile amoshakala kawo ezila mara isiko lami kawo yabo so ngiyabona ukuthi kumele ngifane nabo bantwana emthembu uyabona ngibe nedola nomkotla yabo ngikwazi ukuthi ngayimela ngoba no bathi uzomsupporta ngani umunye umfazi ukuthi umama akayivumi uyayazi ukuthi vele mina ibe khona mara yabheka ngoba nami ukungisupporta kuba nzima ngoba sisahareza sisaphanda yabo but I'm gonna have more than one wife mina tell if uNkulunkulu angangithatha imali I need more than one wife ngoba nginama reason why yabo Yeah. So sibuye la malava ngiphume 1685 ayivule Dusty. Uyakwazi umadala ngamthatha. Embiza. Ngamthatha nje yami ngomfaka kumagusheshe yazi izinto mina ngathi sikhuluma sesibadala. Mara ngize talk bra. Mina siyaza. Ngoba mangishintsho sami in the future izokwazi ukuvula ibheke. Maybe now I'm saying whatever my last you posting intombi lapha yana. Abiyeli so thathile ngazi ukuthi bomshayisha umntwana abantu ngoba wena ungabaleki bra angithi siyakhuluma don't run in a podcast don't cut that thing my nigga don't cut that thing my nigga I podcast siyakhuluma bra
Which don't pause.
yeah
Yeah.
no why you put it on pause bro it's a podcast
Think he's feeling well.
yeah
Yeah,
He's not feeling well.
yo, let's talk when it's going outside. I'm gonna shower a question. Nothing on being on pause.
I know they pose it correct.
Let's talk, man. You can't put the podcast on pause. Doesn't even make sense.
Because you don't shower right back.
Yeah, let's continue.
He must better look send up on this.
Yeah, we'll talk. Yeah, then, man, this is a podcast, bro. That's how it should work, man. We should go for a reality, man. Let them go out. Be on pause. This is the whole. I was telling you, I'm going to question. I see, yeah, no, we am cool. I'm going to and tell them for the mistake. Yeah, what do you talk? Bro, don't pause.
it's not on
It's
pause.
a podcast. Let's work, man. It's a podcast. They understand.
Yeah, man. What I think last time, what I remember on page today, your Porsche, you got the awards, finally over there. What they meant to the success?
Brian, you know, like success is coming different ways. And yeah, man's okay about flavor. Is success just the thing about buffering when the success in America? Success, Brian, is start from spiritual. To your mind, to your brain. But when I'm saying spiritual, that in the spirit side, it can come to your mind, but what you spirit receiving it. What I'm trying to say, bro, is like everything comes spiritual. There is someone wamaje maskuluma manje who shall down to the bridge, but that guy is still unsuccessful. Nisha. When you having whatever assets that world everybody can see, you understand. But you saw, you need hit. Example, probably imagine you had millions, whereby you were saying million from 7 to mom receive. The moment you receive that millions, your mom, she's in there. So then she passed away or something, or maybe. And then you're gonna have kids. You're gonna have kids. I'm not talking about the other aspects, black. I'm talking about things that produce you and think whereby you have been produced are in there.
Yeah,
How do you got a feel for
thing that you send people spirit, net, whereby things, eating.
No, it's not an evil spirit, is a nature, bro. Umama geko, awona ingane, ubaba geko.
But why would God do that? That after I've worked so hard, then now I can't enjoy my success.
Nizepen doesn't shooting success yakho, you can't enjoy it. That's why I say about you know why they believe in success, because they don't understand the word of success. Just Google it, bro, you can understand. I don't know if he got a full. His success, bro, is not a finance. There were people back in the days must support. Singarazaba futhi abazali basasifundeze. Usakishima nethema lapha angazi ukuthi kumele ngizoba nomntwana in the future sesibani. You understand? To the point whereby abantu isuccess yabo is what about ukulima. You understand? Insimu yami ivunile. Ayingane zami
Morning.
You successful.
back in the days, unensimu, abanye banensimu, mara insimu zaba zivuni. As not next.
No, Shadi, like in it can be like maybe a business. Like,
That's what I'm saying. It seems like a business. That's it.
exactly.
Yeah, so man, we are in a good success. If we want to start breaking the days, because everything is mine. No, Kulma now man. You know why? I took a tick's coming. You understand? Which is finance, is money. If paying an amount, I was never gonna come in the side. You understand? I use a transponding money. You understand? So meaning, I'm saying what insane, bro, to the point when I want to pay run and abandoned in what I'm going to come with a part of a cage. Was in we understand. Mara peguna abantu who can hold le nto yokulima, I don't know how they call it in Isilungu, yabo. Mara ngesinto sayithi from my father's side, father Shikomu. Kuyakurimeni. Want to see? They used to do those things. Umuntu onenkomo, inkomo zakhe zilize zikwazi ukumsebenzela. Mara abona they use their gift from their powers by ulima.
Yeah, so it's puffed up for
So I'm getting to the point what is my success after receiving the awards and stuff? My success to bonus is embracing me. Yeah, I'm where yeah, the top.
okay, so your success and just take it back to singing that deep in sim kamadava lava with okay. Madava lava seven thing okay. That's his success and the fun with the approaches.
In same way, I'm take it back to the entertainment. Was in London, it's in the Ravic Prada, because the own bosom of Kono. Nenganes was to understand. Abazo Baba in sin. So you can explain to us because that is it to what they don't know how it done. So in Sinamana about something for Nawam, I managed to go to Mozambique. I use Span. I've tried the first country crossing the Span. Yeah, I understand. And the Mount Figure Mozambique, I work like the fathers of artists, and I'm proud about it because I locked another side of myself being like, oh. To Bamba awards, not only awards, I got awards, man. Yeah, I understand. I have received 3 awards without finance on top of it, but I was proud about it because we wanted to 7 of an award. Yeah. Like last year to say something, bro. I just got myself in the middle of competition never fresh Montana. In pandemic.
I saw that one. Yeah.
All the way up, bro. In that competition, man, I went and ran through the support was there, and that thing is empowered.
The competition was huge as well.
Bro, I was coming for the big numbers, bro, from different countries and global, bro. Yeah. But in the push, and I think it helps me a lot to see what does it. You started class too, man.
And then that was a human model, a huge move.
What's a huge movement? Achieved that. Yeah, but what does when I'm each and every step I took, you want to celebrate me, even the failure, celebrate the failure. But the celebration is different. Oh, wait a second.
No, it's not called a failure.
No, that's fine. But the failure, listen, you want to report. It's not a fail.
It's a fail.
The failure is for God.
But fail is a blessing. That's what it's saying.
No, failure is for God. And listen, when it comes to passing faith, medicine is it. Yes, in failure, how are you doing to failure? How you training aim for failure?
How you create
their own needs. Yeah, understand. That's what is important to do in Kabamangas, which you understand. Who failure we call it. Now, what I am failure is the paid emission of that situation or the position for we land danger.
Right.
Yeah, understand.
When we visa as a failure, ne? But I mean, I'm
yes.
Yeah, kind of a lesson because to me it's either I win or I lose.
Ngiyawuza bafo.
Lose.
Ngiyawuza bafo. Yazi ngithini mina?
So if failure is losing,
No, but man, kuya ngokuthi wena lento le uyilanda kanje. You understand? We approach kanjani ngoba lento uklazi une win and lose manje kudlala bathi kudlala ama game ebholweni.
Beke wahamba ngoba kuyisatheka.
Dlala something ngiyangithola. Yeah, exactly. Udlala something yabona to the point whereby khona kumele bazowina khona bazoluza.
Yeah.
By the main fact uNkulunkulu lapha uyabani ngefaith ukuthi soba grand mayasazi ukuthi to the end khona vele uyangibamba.
Kona mele you look past.
no, as you know, when the show always a point lies, we have to fail.
No, shit.
No, man, you boy, there's a bad too with no, man.
I have to do something like this.
What
do you want to change? It's unmarried. It's not bad. When the man do ya? When the friend do ya? What up? Sit down.
Was it?
Mozambique.
Zambi.
Yeah, to cover there.
Mozambique. I know, it's not cool in my heart. That's what it's what was I told most of them for me music, but
Ngikhuluma ngento manje.
Oh, uthi ngisacula.
Njengamanje ukusathwele kwende ngikhona.
Angithi Zulu.
Ngathi ubani babe piano. Motherfucker. Awusinabele nje kancane ngabe piano.
Ashole balithi kwamba kahle. Umala bala umadubule drabo nomaraba mangulu babhoma sibone izulu. Wamanye amazwi la ngibuya khona bangabangela ungidlwana ngikhona. Bathi hayi wena uyokabi yakama. Yazi le kama lengabe piano yazicela kanjani? Uyacala lere. Yingumbuzo ukuthi yazi ucale kanjani? Mawuthi yakho uthi
Ngiyakhumbula from that side inkabe piano. Ehlanya manje.
yabona ucala ngeraya bengizama mina njabi ithoze ngazichipile bayami sahamba nentwana yami mophanda ho. Bewusaphuma ngoblocks sobuya lapho sizokuthi ukhamba. Yangithola bagijima nokwana abafere mina umuntu obuziki njalo ubuziki ngicala from early age njalo in my group ngiyathola mina empilo yami njalo ukuthi ngidefend namanje ngise grand and apology kuzonke zami enkulu enazo sagijima nama drugs ubugebengu nanana ngithola mina umusic awuthami nebarbarian is my parents izinto zawona zawukhulisa ukuthi impilo ezibhawu and ngiziphilele zingifake entweni ezibhawu uthami ngengalali ama-bridget mina Brian Nazi amachance amagama wabo bobani sibuya eshowini la Mr Dube. But young reward that I did Brian. Beslo what you find madness. Duchebula busho the madness. Si ambile la kumaphan. Si bude Castellana watching ngada se uthi singa transport sa le renke de taxi.
And I go to the
Sawuya na se George
very I got bamba. Lento le asakhuluma ngayo umafana njengamanje and that's the one of the most important thing esibuye sibheke thina lana as the creative product podcast people they see the glamour they see nje yonke lento lena izinto ezimnandi uposta but they don't know about unpaid gigs kulwa ngayo ke manje fumana bala wayibala ukuthi bahambe kanjani kungena transport lonto le awuyivezi ngabe awubona umsayini athe sebathuwa
ubuya kule gig was by mina nomaphanda mo support abantu uMadness SA. She's an artist. We went to her show Orange Farm yangantona. Like artist njami kuba na ngiyazi kune social connect website. I'm gonna meet other people. You understand? It's not social networking nje ngiyakhumbula nakubathi one mic. Let's see Tusha they chose level corona mabana but one mic when really comes down. Yeah, the punchline. Young thought was a social network. If it wasn't punchline, it was tough. You understand? For the 6 sacrifice, it comes to Sapusha, Sapuma, Saham. Young thought. So to the point, self-madness, whopping, probably as pretend now. So from Noah Panda, he knows, and the Wapanda will only install it as into one minute. Yes, I see. Young thought, you know, more phone tell about Well, much of in that long apples is actually stay jaya.
Father is a spirit.
Young thought I was very young jade. Young thought without you a good day. Young thought. Because I need you, but more time and never been no apart.
Yo, so
in the apart, the summertime jam was Sunday. So the spirit weapon jam Kungula Sambe no Mapanda says so wait. Yeah. Cut this to the short young of his cut sack kitchen. Cut this to the short his ambassador so to the Mapanda. Same madness. Madness, I'm quite from Guppy. Same punchline and madness go punchline. That's why I meet a lot of people in the not.
It's like this everybody in this, right?
Yo, step.
What happened to it?
She's still pushing. Oh, so Kurmara into his madness. It goes in such a Dumbi.
She's like, what's the war? Kill them at 2K, the Bozard, kill idea.
Yeah, well, there's no difference from not driving to Fume. I see a lot of people like Josie buy a pusher through music cars, knocking the doors and stuff. But the punchline was widely only. Yeah, but what is the game door? That's how it was done. So what part of time I have knocked them. I saw them one time and they're pushing. Yes, they want to beat, but it's going to take time. They have to ask. What one time I create any punchline? They must want to throw punchline. But why not always Menti from Ares? Shout out to them. Shout out to Kuro.
Shout out to Mary.
Shout out to what you want. When Usconex, and also shout out to what one ninja I have. I forget my ninjas, man, who cool, but I am ninja.
No, there were niggas that keep being yesterday out to do spin dogs.
Sprint doctor, Moment doctor is he have learned you are sucking material we are in leather. Because what tempo was the major, they didn't say which I leather, see, but it was sucking because the other or I understand. So it depends how. You want to know about this niggas. You understand? No, yeah, I managed to start. I'm not saying it's not a pet name. That's to not understand the English. You haven't taught. You see, I want to farm on that. I wanted anyone. Put them there. But I think we are one to eat any man, but Melissa.
Yeah, no, like
In the jungle, remember, we're in the jungle. You understand? The hustle is the jungle. You want to eat any man. My Melissa. My water in your massage. Ya pichi mushio no sultani. Yeah, yeah, you understand the farm inside. Get only uba nege. Ainye meza isineke umuntu amela ancela suit aphinda akuze ukuthi suit na. Mawa ngolo bambela cho aphinda kushaya ngenu. Ngene. Cause you feel. That's the difference, bro, when you get to the into a corner but you are there to suck or you are there to be breastfed. You understand? So, better be honest with I'm that whatever man.
what is your point? Like, I don't get it.
So, pese untanga, which untanga agazang aba been breastfed enough. Maybe be a pillar na Hamas. Or maybe Punga room, the Mamazala position, which I want Tabatala. I remember Gilan who better was like a mama. For a certain reason, my mouth was supposed to go with other than the inn, which is older. I share with someone, but I think it's part of my family. And something to buy. Ngobana begazalile, njengomama. Mara didn't enjoy a little bit overnight. But I fulfill routine is a mass.
Why we made them let it in the moon to so when I get up or
No, it's simple. It's simple. It's simple. It's true.
also we see the open I was so I
It's simple.
oh the wouldn't know so like end up big
Eu peguei, a minha massa já me. So which there's nobody that what does milk. I don't want business on my car.
it's a tricky situation
Yeah, man, okay.
to come
Yeah. Well, Mike. But I wonder when you're about to one when there's a pair on the bed now, corner to the choosing one out of my plat. We found out
also like which means to put it
I don't know, even was singing, I'm on my feet.
you. So which means one that from the right, if it didn't right, that's the best thing.
Yes, because you
Get everything has to go
you reach your dreams. It's just dead. Whoa. We have got them thing.
Mother, no fans of that. Let's say, we let a better day, or they say they know better or put a better in land. Then that much is in there. But so let I would let a room and I. In that much is it that one more chap.
Yeah.
I was saying,
No, it can't be to your dreams, but it's sucking.
it might affect you because like maybe
This will affect because I want to even that's not that's one reason, bro. And I teach life science, but as I'm kumbuli like you was children that we bay, and everything was chilling.
no the fact that parents not know each other something
But in don't get paid, that's why I want to go to the point. The moment two fathers are want to put my mouth everything is where I'm going to that. And the certain people what has a place to go to was I'm a fire. If you can go back home now, do romance with your beach, your chick or whatever the person is, you understand?
no
Go to Pumama and they go Pumama. Because the hormones are all into that. It shows routine when a period of time which may lay the mama.
no another thing
Yeah, one in total one, I'm off with Bazar. Umtono pulling a beast. Upe, into pulling up nine of total pulling a beast.
no madapa don't want to
That's a repair.
people that say it's very happy okay or orange because that counters with which would would say
No, it counts. Listen, the importance, that's all I'm saying. Bro.
that's what I'm saying baby.
Yes, don't chat on this one. I feel
What anyway?
Don't
Appreciate
Yes, don't fire man when I talk. ifana ukuthi cherona hanaye bantu nikeze keke lakhe ngoba ukunikeza uthando remission for the man is it different for a woman who open her legs uyothenga with clapping no woman open her legs ngekhizo ethandile
Okay.
still the same the woman who you live with uvulela ngawona yademand akekho yini now uzobona ukuthi yazi ngifuna ukutshoko mara lento ene happy so it's not in a brother feeling
Uke watsema wena mpilweni yakho.
Shenga Yo, le question engibuza ngathanda inzima for mina ngaze ngabhaya bara ngihambile ama strip club kakhulu. Yinaye untaba yabo. If ngaze ngiyathemba uzokutshela because ama strip club went to a lot of strip clubs with him. Uyazi the reason why mina njalo ngizonda ukuthenga ngazi mina ngomunye umuntu banika ne. Yeah. Ngibhilivela ku spirituality.
Man, oh, back. My question was.
But
Angaze ngathemba ngifuna angaze ngathemba.
Okay. Wait, sit up. Ngifuna ukuthi ushwelekile ukuphendula ngempela.
No bengifuna angaze ngathemba.
Akazathi. Kodwa echazile lo mthembu ukuthi yena uqhawusuka yini nemthengi.
Spiritual exchange idingisatisfayo yokuthenini.
no, mfana phela.
No, no, it's not too big.
No, listen, okay, listen.
Sure.
Ma uthenga lapha you don't connect spiritual because like we take it ufana ne chocolate we take it over just
Yahlukane.
no compared to ugelwa from father le ngiyakhoneka spiritual mama yangibatshele thengile umuntu kawo in fact like you just gonna go
No, you're gonna chop off and go to tell something. Yes, to tell something outside. It's my understanding. You have to depend on like a belief. I mean, I'm fair to muntu opilivela ezluzini uspirit. So to the point, lo muntu ongimthenga first of all ungitshele something and uyayaphika futhi yabo. Lo muntu ongimthenga ulale nabantu abaningi but it's different. That's the reason ngiba unabantu azingikabe mazochitha isimanga sabo bayabuwola maya wena wayine yoga zakho nana ufuna ukuchitha neyagazi ufuna ukukhambe back you go ahead ba
come and take the
wena uyezo uyafaka lapha yasha yangithola isignal isifanile uchapita sinamatha you don't know what is happening maybe mina ngeke ngathi ngibe nabo labo bathi labo mara without my choice
But
ngoba the point whereby you are here
I thought
abafana bethu asazi benzani yeah understand
Yeah.
so ukuthi ba somewhere behind there but you understand
Remember.
so ukuthenga is not a problem it's depending ukuthi wena uzitshelani ngempilo how do you believe my nigga I hope you understand that
And you are-
ngafana nomfazi womuntu Brian babona ngazi umfazi wakasifani ba I can't go through to that woman my nigga because I am doing a poor and I mean once a woman she cheated for me Brian
ngiyakuzwa njalo. Yabona if it was kuya ngami ne. Mina if I was not dating bafethu I would prefer ukuthenga than ujoy. Because ukuthenga ngicabanga ukuthi ufika lapha usha into yakho ishayayo. Ayikhulumisi ayinani futhi ayinasibili. But ezumjide manje
azimtholene
ungathengi
no main car it doesn't matter like me I wouldn't like advise a cheat with your coding but
yazi ukuthenga
man just masturbate
uyazi ukuthenga yini mina ngirefera yazi sometimes selifini to the point uyabona ukuthenga is not a problem yazi ukuthi nasenza ngathi azinezimo yazi why mina lesson yami nje yami into ngositshele yona ngiprefera umfazi ozoza kimi abe real yazi is nice Brian ukujola angeke ngibize ngale gama elinzima ne ukujola nomuntu odlala ngomzimba akutshela ukuthi ngidlala ngomzimba njani uba nomuntu endlini yakho athi mina angidlali
boqambela ba
angidlali ngomzimba nento zomchaza ngomzimba uzofila defeated and disappointment yiko uzobona sophila sowenza ezinye izinto ezinzima Brian mara umuntu odlala ngomzimba uyazi ukuthi umuntu odlala ngomzimba no wangifuna ukuzama ukukhipha ukudlala ngomzimba uzophelela le day uzomthola no Mr K bozubuya le nto umuntu odlala ngomzimba yeah understand isho ukuthi le nto leyo yabekhipha ufana umntwana wakho umthatha umise rehab mama ufona bhema angeke umshaya wawela ubhemeni you gotta sit down with him my boy I take you to rehab why don't you get that to the street and stuff. You understand? I'm saying, so those rumors, they problem, yeah, but he won, my nigga, man. You see the but in cheap review, whatever, we are batting there, but you know that shall fast. The problem, I bet what makes one years of pain, private. I bet what real, man. You guys, my window outside, and what fools, what into be able to mistake, and I felt, I'm called there, but I think as in that, and at that time, who's over the people needing to then not outside, man. So
they are very whatever. Yeah, one of the Soviet in Germany is becoming what?
yeah, they're not all to be the
So in this way, I think we should matter about the 7 night for the episode. When the Gamma is cast to such sharp face, the episode.
Okay, before we cut it, Madaba, please tell us, what are you when the cameras are off? You there out there? Nothing,
yeah, sure. Umana balaba, I say, umuntu zambido pusha yabo. Already I'm a hot man, yangazi, indwana zangazi, amasisteri zangazi, abo mama, abo papa, yabo. Yababa ne opportunity banpapa, yabo. Ababa ngazi, beden bazisi uthi kubani. Feeding indwana setasi. Progress 68 embucha, yabo. Epanda, etipusha kakhulu. Ephila nomaphanda isikhathi eside. Shout out to Ninja Jeff this designer abantu there amangani yawo so maybe that nigga was in there angazi ukuthi uzobafila ngoba compete mina outfit outside and now yeah I mean outfit and compete because uninja kodwa and now uthi ngithi ukungcinela uninja lisaphila angitsona ngahambe before mina ngoba mangahamba before mina ngazi ngizophishimeza kwabani ngoba ngiyayibona ngathi ngizokhupheka awujabe yabo and a shout out to OTMA is one of the guy, one line of music outside, bringing this student shake. Mara you feel it into the about the patient again. So we're going to into about thing outside in our way. Even no beggars there. You gotta receive it. If you go yeah, why you just unlock? I mean just unlock. It needs you go to you push it. Why when I think all it we cut on the music. Yeah, the show is cut. Sure,
Je unakosha futhi ukuthi abalande
since maybe 2 hours you have spoken for the podcast. I was very supporting you. So I tweet my time. I was in 15. No, I said that man. Oh my man, I said it's 2 hours. No. What up, Madaba?
where can they find you, your music?
Go social media outside in Tolagala, all social media platform. In Dongo X. Well, the APC is a team before 2 treats. But we try to cool believe it all. I don't know about the order. And Kwana with TikTok, you don't push on Iowa cool man, with TikTok. But it's in Kabi considering 10 Kabishan and reason being why Pela Aisha won't sign any record label as a Mozambique. Because when I went to Mozambique and do my songs, Mangwe and will perform Baritandi, the one of them Mozambican. Icon Achingibe in Gabishanga Nati Pian, Maiti Shanga Nana, but that I can use all the languages because official meaning Shanga was on chairman. I will never speak exactly. Mozambique Shanga and what one is the Mozambique visit here, by foreign contract. So Malabalaba in Kabi Shannon, man, in Kabi piano. I say you all the Kabi piano, long visa piano, because I'm a musician, you know me, bro. I've taken all the genres in Japanese, but I'm artist Afro pop and jam, but I think Wednesday,
no very good to Usman artist by our face in is that we to God said cheat our face. Banaba, it's been like it's like 80s in Kimazi, the Spanian book joke, Forex, Abo, Crew, ever was being dogs, Abo, I've been chasing. A lot of people, it's about to me the foods there's something that people they don't even know. I think the first time you bet about the Buddha that I must do. No, lunch and go to October in your creek. In my days, simply record that I can't. But about the one in the end to Abayaz, the Yaga Futas I face. I know Kuguzi, I'm Polish foods, and Nady. You go so bad from the Mutwan and very.
Yeah, one on good outside. We're cooling a lot of people. Just to see the English is cut the Mutum Katsak and Mune peoples. yazi ungangena emsebenzini awuthami une way ukuthi ube manager ongabi manager my forward ukuletha abantu bagqobo bakhulise and accept that yabo ilento mina ngibeka lapho
That's your gift.
mina Brian I made I'm not saying I made you understand I work with a lot of artists manje basegaming Brian namanje abantu abaphatha madam why you promoting ama artists afutha ngakufaka
Una nem com honesty, right? You don't know what it
Imbuda busjap butubuda but and it's a tough one day the best land athi uzomthole tharasi uFlomini nabo waras
Obvious.
How about Foil too?
So be sibele futhi mara bara ngeli la
so uyasekutheni bakithi uma isikhathi sibanekile ngoba sifuna nanibona le podcast in Portugal mara ngiyakela nizofuna more yabo ipenjani but more you gonna get it and shout out for umwe likhama lekhaya I go by the name uMayavalava Inkabi yeshaka manje kungasebenza
Okay, copy. Yeah.
if I want Inkabi piano go to Google uthi Inkabi piano sizokwazi ukunikezela umlando wami uzokwazi ukungithola ngoba ngithi ya record Google iba great bakithi asebenzeni bakithi the only way that I want to left manje must show up as khuluma the upcoming artist le game ayikhulula inzini kumele uzimisele ube sure ukuthi lento le yakho and makho yakho ngokwayo izokulandelela ngaphakathi kuwena and mayibona ukuthi akuhlukumeza ongidlula ezinye izinto ezingakuhlukumezi stand for it go for it but another thing engibona ngama-upcoming artists imistake abayenzayo they end up quitting into zobafalela something epromoting up income mina ngeke ngiyosebenza amakhuleni musician bazothina abantu manila awafika
Don't even balance now. You know,
get the balance get the balance fana ukuhlanganisa uphushe awuthama ungenazinto phusha thina usibona manje sisaphusha ngoba thina mpela siphuma khona asina backup ephakamile financial kodwa sine backup ephakamile spiritual yiko sisamile yamthola so awuthama njengoba uzibona wena sister wena footman wena ntwana yami wena banibani whatever make sure ukuthi mawuphusha musical ifuna imali la engathanda awungakayenza music video almost 4 years ngoba need the cash le mali engithola kumele ngenze music
that was it. I mean, thing that's okay.
I wouldn't afford kuyenza I can do it I think yes but I'm paying on a spending actually the order the period to
I can sit by. Okay, Buffett, that's the kind of one day creative podcast. I will be back again. I think this one I'm gonna need part 2.
part 3 I love the part for waiting about
Okay, I'm gonna say this probably this.
ngeke izifele but thina ngathi igama lakho likhatsini siyaphatha lithini ngibona ukwenza ngisaphothi ngibona sekubuze ebhakede kuba mzoba ini i-coronavirus bafethu this is the creative creatism podcast bafethu where creativity meets conversation namhlanje sinomalabalaba mina nofethu sesiphumele this episode so expect more friends to be sibe naye-ke
Yes, we out.
bathi ngizobuya bangangibizanga ngizokhomenta tototi ku-podcast apho ngibuyane
ngeke bala
bathi ujesu lokuhamba kanti ngizokwenza yini and
That's a wrap.
oh